So in this 20-liter Peak Design backpack, we have the 800mm RF lens, 28-70, the 2x converter for the 800mm, a little Sirui portable carbon fiber tripod, really cool, and this PGY Tech tripod as well. Today we are shooting something. We're in this little area. I've been here before, but you know, it used to not really be a street like how it is right now. And they didn't have these barricades here, but no big deal because there aren't any trains here to photograph. And right now we are rocking the 24-240 millimeter RF lens. It's got image stabilization. It is a variable aperture lens, so it starts at f4 and it stops down to 6.3 at 240 millimeter. But it's still my favorite lens. It's like the funnest lens. I recommend, if you're gonna go traveling, this is definitely the lens to buy. It's not that expensive. It's hell worth it. You'll be using it throughout the day. Once it gets dark, you'll probably switch over to, you know, your 1.4 nifty 50 millimeter lens and you're good to go. But let's start at 24 millimeter and see what we get from here to 24, and then we'll zoom in. Okay, that's pretty cool. Let's figure out something else. Look at this place. Let's use this like graffiti somehow to take a picture. So here. Maybe we can kind of line things up around here. And then let's see if we can get something cool from here. I also want to say that earlier today was really cloudy and I was really excited to get something moody and a bunch of clouds in the background. But the thing is, there's not that many clouds here. Now, where I come from, I live over there in that direction. As you can see, it's really cloudy. It probably took me around, 35 minutes to get here. But over here, crystal clear. And if we keep driving west, we'll hit the beach. And for like maybe 20 more minutes. And it should be cloudy over there and get something more dramatic, more moody. Yeah, it's hailing. But let's see, let's try and get something cool, something fun. Actually, let's just go crazy. Go all out and pull out the 1600 millimeter. Okay, so this is the setup right here. 800 millimeter with a 2x converter. And I just recently got this hood for around 16 bucks. I think 16 bucks from Amazon. Killer deal. It feels kind of soft in here, so it prevents light from reflecting from the inside of the hood onto the lens. But yeah, I'm digging this hood, and let's put this on the camera. Feels a little ridiculous, but it's not. It's actually a lot of fun, and let's do this. Okay, so now we are at 1600 millimeter, and let's see what we get. This is insane. Can we get people riding down that slide? You know what? Let's get some video footage. Let's just hit the video button and start recording. Okay, so now we're gonna handhold 1600. Do we see anyone riding that slide? I can't talk. If I talk, the lens moves too much. This is handheld. This is awesome. Well, what can I see? I don't know what I can see. It's like I'm too close to things. No? Anyone up there? Oh, there's a helicopter. It's landing. Oh, the cables are getting in the way. Take some pictures. Oh, that's crazy. That looks pretty dope though. Oh, it's landing. Can they see me? What else is there? Stuff that I shouldn't be taking pictures of? Okay, let's get out of here. Okay, so as I was driving, we're at a different location now. I spotted this mural. Now I've seen it before, but I didn't know where it was. What's up, brother? Hey, let me get a picture of this and I'll send it to you. They're over here, brother. Yeah. Right around here. Okay, that's one. Let's switch it up. Come on here real quick. I'm Frank, by the way.
Desmond, man.
Desmond.
Yeah. We're from Minnesota.
Ray? Minnesota, oh cool. Timberwolves.
Yeah.
So who's taking it this season? Who's taking it?
Yeah.
Chicago, man, Chicago.
I would like to see that.
I'd like to see Chicago. Yeah. DeRozan, exactly.
Get his little shit.
Caruso stepping it up.
Levine,
Levine. Yeah, hey, as a Laker fan, I'm like, we should never gotten rid of Caruso and Alonzo Ball. Okay, let's go. Let's figure something out right here, brothers. Get a little bit closer. We're good. Okay, face over here, my friends. Yeah. Bam. No one's coming. And we got it. Let's go. Okay, that was cool, but we're still trying to figure out a different kind of composition. I'm safe here. Yep, everything looks good. I wanted clouds. Clouds were important. Okay, so I'm only gonna be here for a minute and no. And I found this little spot right here and I kind of like how this looks with the light. Let's see if we get something. Looks pretty cool. I'm digging it. I like the composition. Composition is the most important thing. I believe it's more important than the actual editing. I like this building right here that they're working on. Oh, look. If I hit video, now I'm doing video mode. You can kind of see them going up. They're working, they're doing stuff. Right now I'm shooting at 240 millimeter. How about this? Is this the shot? I don't know, but it looks pretty cool. Let's run over here real quick. There's a freeway. Which freeway is this? I don't know. I think it's the 10 freeway, I'm not sure. Let's keep going. We're good. We got something. Okay, so I've always wanted to photograph from down here. Now for this, I wish I had the 16 to 35 or just a wider lens. We'll figure something out with the 24 millimeter. Oh, I kind of like that. So again, composition. Composition is very important. Let's move a little bit to the left and we'll get this right here. Bam, bam. Okay, cool. How about we change it up a little and we move over to the other side. Okay, here we go. How does that look? Looks pretty cool. How about now in this direction right here? Composition. There's a car coming. I need to be right in the middle, looking straight up. Yeah. Okay, that's pretty cool. How about we try to use these skid marks somehow? Let me see. If I get really low, maybe that. I think I got what I was looking for. I don't see anything else. And to be honest, I wish I had a fisheye lens for this. Not even a 16 to 35. So fisheye would be cool. That should be my next purchase. I should start looking. That would be great to be like ultra wide. How about, let me see. Do I like that? I don't care. Oh, we're good. Let's go. So on my way to Santa Monica, we're hitting a little bit of rain. So we're getting hail here. That's pretty cool. So the plan was to photograph the pier or something around here, but it is raining. And it does look pretty cool, but we'll just call it a day. Okay, things got a little crazy. I wanted to do some sunset pictures, but it started raining and it wasn't comfortable. So right now we are aiming the camera towards that bridge. I don't know if you can see the bridge. Oh, look at that, the lightning. I don't know if you can see it, but anyhow, our image stabilization is off, but it is a little windy, so I don't know what's gonna happen because it's kind of, the camera's shaking a little bit. I do have it a 10-second timer. So first we're gonna focus, or just do autofocus, and there it is. The timer has started. We have it on a nice little tripod right here. And let's see what we get. Let's try again. Let's lower our shutter speed. What do we do? ISO maybe 400? I like 400. Hold on, no, let's pan a little bit more to the right. Pan, 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 right there. Ooh, that evil light on the bottom right corner. Let's see what happens. And here we go. Timer has started. Ooh, that looks pretty cool. Okay, so now we have the 28 to 70 on here. Let's change it from, did you see the lightning? That's crazy. 2.0, ISO L, and then we're gonna go into like maybe 1 second. Yeah, we'll do 1 second. So we're not gonna get any of that like motion blur or the trails from the vehicles over here. Okay, here we go. Yeah, I'm happy. 2.0, 1 second, cool. Let's change lenses. This tripod is just not sturdy enough, so yeah, thanks for hanging out.